Hi guys, today I'm going to be talking about the difference or the major difference between consulting and service. But then, let us start with their definition. Consulting involves providing expertise, advice, recommendation, or strategy to the performance of a particular project or work. Consulting firms provide advice and guidance to clients on topics such as strategy and operation. Now, for a procurement project, we can employ the service of a consultant procurement officer who would guide us on how to go about purchase the material, the labor, as well as other things that are necessary to make the procurement of this particular project work. Service, on the other hand, involve providing routine maintenance or a repair work or the performance of a task. These people who are servicemen engage in expertise skill set that enables them to perform, be it a welding project, a carpentry work, or a masonry type of work. So, briefly, the key differences between services and consultancy, as I'll put forward, would be on various headings. The first heading being the engagement. Services involves hands-on execution of work, while for consultancy, it focuses on providing expert guidance. The deliverable that services produces are in form of tangible output, trained staffs, reports, an excavated trench, etc. While for consultancy, their deliverable are advisory outputs, for example, recommendations and strategy. For servicemen, it requires specific skills or qualification, while for consultancy, it requires specialized expert experience and the nature of the work, which is the fourth key difference. For services, it involves an ongoing or one-time task, often involving tangible outputs, while for consultancy, it's an expert advice or guidance, typically intangible.
This is a wrap. Thank you all for watching this video on iConstruction TV. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Very importantly, if you have any question in mind, you can as well drop it on the comment section, and then we'll find a way to provide answers to them. Goodbye, and see you on the next one.